Hi, I'm Alex Fairfield. I'm a biology professor at Montgomery College here in Montgomery County in Maryland. I chose to use the Winogradsky Column as the BioInteractive resource from HHMI, and the reasoning was this. We were tasked with making our labs much more inquiry-based and much less cookbook-based. So I went through a lot of activities to figure out what could I do that would satisfy, the various levels of inquiry. So I decided to do the Winogradsky Column, and it's the first lab of the semester in second semester biology, and it's kind of an icebreaker lab. And I introduced it as a way of recreating the world using mud. So the students are given some guidance in terms of how they set up a Winogradsky Column, but they have to figure out how to do it. I showed them the equipment, and they have to choose what mud, what nutrients, what water they're going to use. And then this is set up, and I use it for multiple weeks. It's used in 3 units in particular. So the first unit is actually evolution and the beginnings of life on Earth. And the Winogradsky Column creates an oxygen gradient and a sulfur gradient in here, which will mimic early conditions on Earth. So the students become familiar with chemosynthesis, anaerobic photosynthesis, and aerobic photosynthesis. We then they're responsible for making observations every week in lab. And in the meantime, we are doing other lab activities while these Winogradsky columns are cooking along. The next unit is microbial life. So many of these students do not go on to take microbiology. So I have them learn basic culture and staining techniques. They also will learn later identification of protists when we go into eukaryotes. And then finally, the various ecological niches that are set up in the column reflect what they learn in the last ecology section on the biogeochemical cycles that we find on Earth. So there's a lot of oomph for a very, very cheap and easy to set up experiment. So they learn the content, but they also learn soft skills like, can they make decisions? Can they work together? Can they problem solve when things happen? And they also learn a lot about the microbial life and evolution on Earth. And the assessments are a couple of quizzes, and then they do a semester-long project lab report.